At some point, something doesn't feel right to you anymore. Your habit, your mindset, even who you are, and you start thinking, I need to become a new person. But how do you actually do that? Most people try to change their life without changing themselves, and that's why nothing lasts, because real change doesn't start with action. It starts with identity. You can start a new habit, you can set goals, you can even stay consistent for a while. But if your identity remains the same, you will always go back, because your action always match who you believe you are. Right now, you are operating from an old version of yourself, the one shaped by your past experience, your old habits, your repeated patterns. And this version is controlling your life even more than you realize it. Here's what most people get wrong. They try to act like the new version, but still think like the old version. And here's where the change feels forced and it doesn't last. How to become someone new. Here's the real process. Step 1, define your new identity. Who are you becoming? You have to be specific about it. Now, step 2, decide what that person does daily. That's the step 2. Focus on action and not motivation. Step 3, act before you feel ready. And this is where the real change begins. Step 4, repeat it until the action becomes your identity, until it feels natural. Becoming someone new feels uncomfortable because you are leaving behind what's familiar. You will feel doubt, you will feel resistance, even uncertainty. And that's not failure, that's transformation. You can't become a new person while holding on to your old identity. So at some point, you have to let it go. Not slowly, but intentionally. You don't need a new life. You need a new version of yourself. And that starts today. If this helped you, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Thank you.